India and China have decided to disengage troops from the border in Ladakh in batches, Chinese state media reported on Wednesday. Chinese government mouthpiece Global Times said that India and China have agreed to disengage front-line border troops in batches. The two sides have also agreed to take effective measures to ease the situation in the border areas, the Global Times added. The announcement came after the 12-hour-long Corps commander-level meeting between Indian and Chinese armies that took place in Chushul sector in eastern Ladakh on Tuesday. Indian sources said that both armies have emphasized the need for an expeditious, phased and stepwise de-escalation as a priority to end the 7-week bitter standoff in eastern Ladakh. This, the sources said, is in sync with the agreement between External Affairs Ministers S. Jaishankar and his Chinese counterpart Wang Yi in their telephonic talks on June 17 that the overall situation would be handled in a responsible manner. They said the process of disengagement along the line of actual control lack is complex, and in such a context, speculative and unsubstantiated reports need to be avoided. The sources said the discussions reflected the commitment of the two sides to reduce tensions along the LAC and more meetings are expected, both at military and diplomatic levels, to arrive at a mutually agreeable solution. At Tuesday's dialogue, the two sides also resolved to sincerely implement the disengagement understanding reached in the First Corps commander-level talks on June 6, they said. It was the third senior military commander-level engagement to discuss issues related to disengagement at the face-off sites along the LAC and the escalation from the border areas. The meeting on Tuesday was long and held in a business-like manner keeping in view the COVID-19 protocols. The discussions reflected the commitment of both sides to reduce the tensions along the LAC, the source said. It further said, more meetings are expected both at the military and at the diplomatic level, in future, to arrive at the mutually agreeable solution and to ensure peace and tranquility along the LAC as per bilateral agreements and protocols. The Indian and Chinese armies are locked in a bitter standoff in multiple locations in eastern Ladakh for the last 7 weeks. And the tension escalated manifold after 20 Indian soldiers were killed in a violent clash in Galwan Valley on June 15. The Chinese side also suffered casualties, but it is yet to give out the details.